Our topic is all about to stop animal cruelty.
Um, this picture shows that too many animals in the Philippines experiencing
Cruelty.
cruelty from their owner or making them food.
And in this picture shows us the cat has more pain, and the cat has an injury. So our advocacy wants to let the people know that to stop the animal cruelty, to stop hurting them, because the animals also is also a living thing.
That's it.